Good morning, dear students. We'll be doing one comprehension passage today. It is an unseen passage. Read the following passage. Change this to passage. PASSAGE. Okay. Read the comprehension passage and answer the questions that follow. Oliver was a 9-year-old boy. You have to read the story properly. This story is about Oliver. He is 9 years old. He lived with other homeless boys in an orphanage. Orphanage is a place where people who do not have homes, children who do not have their mothers and fathers, they stay in an orphanage. इसको हिंदी में अनाथालय कहा जाता है. He was living with other homeless boys. Homeless means boys who were not having any home, जिनका कोई घर ही नहीं था. He was pale and thin, as were the other boys living there. They were all very thin. Okay. This was because they had to work hard but were never given enough to eat. The owner of the orphanage, Mr. Bumble, was a cruel man and he ill-treated the boys. So the owner of the orphanage, जो अनाथालय का जो owner था, मालिक था, he was a very cruel man. वो boys से he used to make them work really very hard, but खाने को वो उनको बहुत कम देता था. That is why all of them were very weak, very thin. And he ill-treated the boys. बहुत बुरा व्यवहार करता था उनके साथ. The boys were, change this to were, WERE. The boys were always hungry. It was true that they were given 3 meals a day, but each meal consisted only of a bowl of watery soup. They were almost starving. ये सच है कि उनको दिन में 3 बार खाना दिया जाता था, but every time the meal was a bowl of watery soup. उनको हर बार दिन में 3 बार वाटरी सूप दिया जाता है. सूप जिसमें वेजीज कम होती थी और पानी ज़्यादा होता था. दे वर ऑलमोस्ट स्टार्विंग. भूख के कारण उनका हमेशा वो बहुत ही भूखे होते थे. सो इट वॉज डिसाइडेड बाय देम टू आस्क द मास्टर फॉर मोर सूप, बट हु वुड बिल्ड द कैट. फाइनली द टास्क फेल टू ऑलिवर. अब हमेशा वो भूखे ही रहते थे, हमेशा भूख लगती रहती थी, तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया वी विल आस्क मिस्टर बम्बल टू गिव देम सम मोर सूप. पर ये काम करेगा कौन? सबको उससे बहुत डर लगता था और ये टास्क दिया गया ओलिवर को कि तुम्हें जाना है मिस्टर बम्बल के पास और उनको बोलना है कि हमें और सूप चाहिए. When the boys had assembled in the cold stone hall for their evening meal, the soup was served. और भूखे इतने थे वो बच्चे, फटाफट उन्होंने सब फिनिश कर दिया. The boys whispered to one another and one boy pushed Oliver a little कि Oliver जाओ, अब हमारा सूप ख़त्म हो गया है. Go and tell Mr. Bumble that we want more soup. Oliver, making a brave effort, बहुत हिम्मत जुटा के he stood up. He walked up to the master with his bowl and spoon in his hand and said tremblingly means काँपता हुआ उसने बोला, please sir, I want some more. So he did this brave effort. Okay. Now based on this comprehension you have to answer, why did Oliver live in the orphanage? Oliver lived in the orphanage because he was homeless. He was not having any home. That is why he was living in that orphanage. Who was Mr. Bumble? He was the owner of the orphanage. What meal were the boys given? They were given a bowl of watery soup. Okay. What did Oliver say to Mr. Bumble? He said, please sir, I want some more. This was his dialogue. Now the boys were given 3 meals a day. फिर भी वो हमेशा hungry क्यों होते थे? Because the soup they were given was never enough. A option is the right option. Find the words from the passage that mean the same. Very hungry means starving. बहुत ही भूख लग रही है. To vanish, disappear. Okay. Assembled का क्या मतलब है? Collected. For example, आपका morning assembly भी होती है ना, where you gather, you collect together. Okay. From the word assembled, remove the last 2 letters. हमें assembled के last के 2 letters हटाने हैं और उसकी जगह y लगाना है. तो ASSEMBLY. Okay. Assembly, which means a time at school, whole class caters or enters. Okay. Give a suitable title to the passage. आप इस पूरे पैसेज को, इस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को कोई भी नाम दे सकते हो. द बोल्ड ऑलिवर, या ऑलिवर एंड द ऑर्फनेज, या ऑलिवर एंड द बॉयज़. Okay, Life of Oliver, an Orphanage, any title you can give. Okay, complete this work in your notebook.